Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning the ignition on and activating the air conditioning. You want to see the compressor clutch attempt to engage. Once done, check battery voltage at 12.6 V and make sure fuses and relays for the A/C circuit are intact. Inspect belt tension and look for oil stains around the compressor body that indicate leaks. Make sure to plug in a test light or multimeter to the clutch connector. If there's no 12V signal when cooling is requested, the problem might be upstream, not the compressor. You now move to more detailed checks. Measure clutch coil resistance and compare to the manufacturer spec. A very low or infinite reading suggests internal failure. Next, attach manifold gauges to read low and high side pressures while the system runs. Abnormal readings, very low or very high, point to internal compressor loss of compression or a restricted orifice. Once done, safely rotate the compressor pulley by hand. Excessive roughness or play means worn bearings or internal damage. You finish by depressurizing and recovering refrigerant safely, then unbolt and remove the failed compressor. Make sure to replace the receiver/dryer or accumulator and follow the flush procedure, because debris can ruin a new unit. Add the specified amount and type of lubricant. Once installed, vacuum the system to remove moisture, perform a leak test, and charge to the correct refrigerant weight. If the new compressor still fails to engage, check fuses, relays, and the pressure switch. Those often mimic compressor failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.